Good morning. We are going to be going to a local farm that has a cute little farm store, petting zoo, all the things. We've never been there. We're gonna go check it out this morning. So I thought I would record myself getting ready, and then I will take you guys along for our farm trip. Here's a little OOTD. Those are still a thing, right? Just went with a little sundress because Mama's pregnant, and these are what's really comfy to me now when it's 90 degrees outside. Just fixed up my hair. Fun fact, my hair is still curled and just done from when I got it done earlier in this week. Dry shampoo for the win. This dress is from Old Navy. They have the cutest dresses in my opinion, and it has pockets. So yeah, now it's time to go get my beautiful, crazy, wonderful toddler ready, and we're gonna head out to go to the farm soon.
Mine. Hey, mine. Hey.
All right, here's Miss Ava. She's all dressed. You want to show them your dress? Do a circle. Wow. Are you ready to go to the farm?
Horses.
Are we gonna see horsies?
Horses.
And piggies? And chickens? Are you excited? Are you excited?
Excited.
Say we're about to leave. Say we're gonna go see some animals. What are you most excited to see? The horsies? What about the chickens? What about the cows?
No, horses.
Are you gonna pet them?
Horses.
Yeah, are you gonna pet them?
Horses.
Okay. We're so excited. I'm so excited to check out the little store. They sell, like, it's a farm, so they have their own beef, chicken, pork, everything you could want to buy. Vegetables, fruit, butters, everything. We're excited, right? Are you excited?
Yeah.
And then afterwards, we're gonna make a Target run because Little Miss really wants to get her own camera because she wants to be just like Mama. Are we gonna get your camera after we see the animals?
Camera almost?
Yes.
Mine.
Oh, hi. food? Oh, right here.
Oh, is there corn in there?
I think so. Whoa. You have to pay. Oh my gosh, look at the piggy.
How do you pay? Is it cash?
Hello.
I see me.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Where to
What happened?
Hi, guys. You want the corn? Say here, who wants
How many
it?
have you given them?
Go put it in there.
How many have you given them?
4. Here, go put it in there.
Hi.
See here, guys.
I see guys.
Here, put it in there. Look, go like this. Go. Say here, who wants it? Here, drop it. Put it in there. Oh, not nice. Here, put it in there. Say.
Look, there's other donkeys. It's a baby dog.
Oh my goodness.
You hold it right there on this.
Give it to the baby. Oh, he's like a little dog.
Oh, look at Ava's like.
She's scared, babe. She's afraid. It's
Oh, here
okay.
comes-
Look, he's kind of, look, see, he don't like him.
You're nice. You're nice, look. He's nice.
You gotta put it in there. They can't reach it. You want me to hold it?
Oh, camera.
Oh, you're gonna help mommy hold the camera?
Hold the camera.
Okay, hold it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna keep it on my hand, okay? But you can hold it.
Cheat.
Good job.
Oh.
What do you think?
I'm ready.
Is that cool? Oh, I think he's excited.
My stomach after I
Are you excited?
What's wrong? Nobody giving you attention?
Are you so excited? Hello, sweetness. Hi. You just want attention? Hi. Yeah. Hi, sweetness. You just want attention, huh? Well, we just went to the farm. It's starting to rain, so we had to say goodbye. Ava, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite animal?
The horses.
The donkeys? You'll see in my clips. There was one donkey here that was particularly loud.
Horses.
Yeah, are you gonna say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
Say see you next time.
Bye.
it was fun. The store was super, super cute. We got some stuff. We got some meats. We got some jam. I think my dad got you guys some
cups.
glass mugs. So we bought some stuff. We bought some ears of corn to feed the animals. It was a good time. It was pretty fun. Now, check this out. Pretty cool. Now we are gonna go do a quick Target pickup. We got Ava her own camera because she's obsessed with my new camera. So we got her own little Minnie Mouse camera. Are we gonna go get your camera? Yeah?
I have a camera.
Yep, we are.
Camera.
So we're gonna go do that. Probably grab some lunch while we're out, but yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the things, all the fun things. And we'll see you next time.